Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Prius Plus Excel Edition. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 85,410 miles. Finished off in this lovely silver colour. You've got alloy wheels as well as 7 seats in the back, so it's perfect for a larger family with those 2 additional seats. Really nice looking front end, blacked out upper and lower grille. Very nice looking front lights with front parking sensors, privacy glass, a boot lid spoiler, and nice tall rear lights with rear parking sensors as well as a rear facing camera. Configured to seat 7 at the moment, as you can see, but by simply folding the seats down you can see how much space you really get. Taking a closer look at the interior, you've got half leather seating, plenty of legroom and storage on the back of the 2 front seats. Up front, all your window controls on the door card. Half leather seats up front with a leather armrest in the centre. Push the start button, giving you a notification when it's ready to drive. And then you've got your steering wheel controls on either side of the wheel, and the instrument cluster sits, as you just saw, up there. Below this, we've got maps and navigation, and if we head into the media menu, we've got radio, aux, Bluetooth, CD and USB as well. There's Bluetooth connection for your phone for hands-free, and then a few different apps here like the parking app, Toyota Assistant, weather and so on. Now putting the vehicle into reverse, brings up its rear camera, and then beneath this you'll find climate controls, storage space, cup holders and some different driving modes like full, electric and eco, and then you've got storage inside of your armrest. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.